Hello everyone, this is your friend Ram Rawat, the mustached marketer, and I'm going to give you a quick overview of Copy-Machina on this video. So if you see on your left, you have option of the dashboard, and there are a couple of options. So these are the main features like AI writer, AI image creator, AI chatbot, AI code generator, AI speech to text, and AI voiceover. So these are the 6 main features of the app, and among these you can find multiple templates that can help you with the professional copywriting. So suppose you want to use AI writer, you go inside this and you check out all these templates. See, if you want to create a post title, then you can use this. Summarize some text, you can simply copy paste the text and it will summarize the text for you. You can write the product description, article generator, product name generator, testimonial. There are so many options. So suppose you want to write a blog, you can do that. You can generate blog post ideas, you can create the blog sections, you can create blog conclusion, you can write Facebook ads, YouTube video description, YouTube video title, social media post, Facebook headlines, social media tweets, Instagram hashtags. So whatever you can think of in terms of generating copyright copies, you can create those by simply typing few words inside these templates, and it is going to generate the most professional content that you require. So if you see, for example, I want to write an article, then I'll simply click on article generator, and let's say I want to write an article on how to lose weight with smoothie diet. Then I'll simply write that article title, and then I can write keywords like weight loss, smoothie diet, or whatever more keywords that comes to your mind, so that it can generate articles based on those keywords. So you can create SEO optimized content as well. So that's one thing. Then you need to select the language in which you want to create your article. So as of now, I'll just simply keep English USA, and then the creativity. So how exactly you want this creativity to be, like the premium, average, economic. So as of now, I'll just keep it good. And the tone of the voice. So for example, you want the article to be bold, secretive, casual, funny. So the tone of the article can be, the tone of the content can be selected from here. As of now, I'm keeping it professional, and I want just one result, and let's say I just want an article with 300 words. So you have selected all the options, and now you just have to hit generate and check out the AI. It is going to generate the article that we require on this topic with focus on these keywords. See, and this is the title: the smoothie diet, a delicious way to achieve weight loss goals. And this is the introduction of the article. Then these are some main points that it has covered, and then the conclusion. See, so my article is ready. If I want to edit this article further, I can do that by simply going inside the editor, and I'll just name this article, let's say smoothie diet, for my reference purpose. And this is the title. Let's say I want to make it bold. I can do further editing if I want. See, let's say I want to make this bold or maybe underline, I can do that. So it's all up to me how I want the further editing. And the best thing about this editing is you can extract the editing from this this generated content, and you can simply download it in the form of HTML code or the MS Word as per your requirements. So let's say HTML, and this is my article that is generated. I can simply upload this code inside my WordPress blog post generator, and it will create the same blog post with all the bold and other editing that I have done so far. Okay, so let me go back and I check out this document. So this is the article that I generated, the smoothie diet. And similarly, I can generate more and more options. Let's say I want to generate a post title generator. Let's say I want to generate a title for that post. I can do that, and so many more options are there. Suppose I want blog post ideas, or maybe like, let's go back and let's say I want Yeah. Okay, let's say I want some headlines. Okay, so let's go to headlines. Same, write few headlines. And let's say 100 words long and generate. See, it is generating me those headlines for this topic, how to lose weight with smoothie diet. So I can save these and I can use them in the Facebook posts. So it's all up to me what kind of content I want. I can go through these templates and I can generate whichever content I want. It's all up to me. I want to generate Google Ads headlines, I can do that from here, and so on. Now this next feature is the AI image generator. So suppose I want to generate any image. See, these are the images which are generated. So let's say I want to have an image of Iron Man in space. Then the advanced settings, so what kind of image quality I want, let's say 1024 pixel. The art style, so many art options. Let's say you want a cartoon, or if you don't want to select any specific, just leave it without any selection. And if you want any specific selection, then pick up from here. And let's say cartoon and lightning, let's say ambient lighting, and mood, let's say he's chilling. Okay, and hit generate. So now it is going to generate us an image of Iron Man in space. Just give it a few seconds and it will generate the image that we seek. Okay, our image is generated. And let's say since we created a cartoon style and lightning mode was ambient and chilling, so this is our image and our image is ready. So it's all up to us what kind of art style we want, and based on that it is going to generate image for us. Then the next option is AI chat. So suppose you want to have a discussion on finance, you can simply pick a finance expert and you can start chatting with them. Say, hey, I want to know how should I plan my savings. See, now it is giving me advice on how I should plan my savings for future. So this way I can have an interaction with the expert chatbot and I can get my answers. So you see, right now I selected finance expert. If I go back here, then I can have more options like nutritionist, then career counselor, interior designer, time management consultant, fitness trainer. So I can have a discussion with all these chatbots and they can give me the right advice. Okay, then the last option is the next option is AI code generator. So suppose I want to generate a code for, I don't know, let's say can you generate HTML code for headlines and headlines with yellow background. Then I can select the language. So okay, HTML. So this one is a bit for people who are more coders, but this is an optional thing for people like us. The marketers don't need this, but again, like, it still can generate the basic codes for you, so you can utilize these codes. And if you are using WordPress editor, you can use this code and you can have your text with the yellow background. Okay, you can run this code on your site, on your HTML editor, and you'll be getting the result that you want. Then the next option is AI speech to text. So I simply upload the MP3 file and generate text and hit generate, and it will generate me the text, speech to text conversion. And here is the next option, that is AI voiceover. So here I want to I type some content, or I add my content, and then I select the voiceovers from different voice person, and I can select the kind of flow of the speech, and the pause and everything can be edited, and the language in which I want, English, Hindi, Arabic, Bengali. So it's all up to you which language you want. You want Marathi, you want Polish, you can select those language and hit generate, and it is going to generate the voiceover for you. Okay, so these are the main features, and let's come back. So these are the things that we generated. We can always go back and check out that content. This was the code that we just generated. This was the Facebook headline that we created. So you see, this works really well. You can utilize all the features, and if you have any queries, and if you find any difficulty, you can reach out to my support, that is support@ramrawat.net, and I'll be happy to assist you. So thanks for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.